It was a mild summer night. The wolf was strolling around alone in the forest. But what was it he heard? It sounded like a fire. He went down to the river and saw a cozy bonfire just across it. He wanted to go there and have a look, so he crossed the river using a small boat. As soon as he reached the other side, he left the boat and went up to the bonfire. A small cat was hiding behind the fire, as scared as himself. He told the cat that it's not dangerous. He only wants a friend. The cat got happy and asked him if he would like to join making music. Together they created a forest band, and maybe they are still playing today.